All right, this is a message, and it's going to turn into a full-length video, but this is a message for all those who need to hear it. Never, ever, ever be discouraged by failures. I pulled the oil cooler on this 5 times to find out it's none of the seals. My oil cooler core has a leak, an internal one. Don't ever be discouraged by your failures. It's just another chance to show some greatness. I know I've talked about how that's a rebuilt block. That engine is going to go in there. A, I'm tired of pulling the oil cooler off, so I'd rather put an oil cooler on this. B, that motor is worn out. It's got low compression. It's got a lot of blow-by, even for an IDI. So that's what's coming up. I know I haven't been uploading. The weather here has been really shitty. I basically had nothing running. But yeah, don't ever be discouraged by defeat. It sucks. It's a pain in the fucking ass. And now I've got oily, coolanty water everywhere. But don't give up. Don't give in. I don't know where you're from, but we've got that human spirit. That undeniable human spirit. The kind of spirit that says, I don't give a shit how many times I have to fix a problem. I don't care how disgusting and oily and shitty and grungy and nasty the job may be. I don't care about any of that. Because at the end of the day, we're humans. We got to where we are because we overcame everything. We're going to keep overcoming everything. It does not matter. Your opinions, your ords, your heavies, your fucking odges, despite what we say to each other, despite all the shit that comes out of each other's mouths when bad-mouthing them, I'm one of the worst. We overcome this shit. Because we're not children. We're men. It doesn't matter. And at the end of the day, when work gets done, work gets done. Embody that human spirit. Pick yourself up off the ground. Stop bitching and moaning. And let's get her done.